Hello, beautiful humans. Bluebird Poet here. We have a spiritual reading on the interstellar object that has been labeled 3I Atlas. The reading was received on October 6, 2025, while we were eagerly anticipating updates from the space agencies as the object approached Mars, allowing humanity's space assets, rovers, and satellites on and around Mars to take higher resolution pictures of 3I Atlas than we have been able to get from our deep space satellites near Earth or on the ground, the terrestrial telescopes. So we are watching as 3I Atlas traverses through the solar system. Given what we've seen and learned since the reading was channeled, and as of October 18th, 2025, we are still eagerly anticipating the high resolution data from NASA, the European Space Agency, the China Space Agency, and the Arabians. I've decided to share this reading and my reflection. The reflection video is in progress. For now, here is the spread on the question, what is the nature of 3I Atlas? I've also posted a transcript at www.site2enlight.com/coming soon/3i.html, 3i.html. The link is below. www.site2enlight.com/comingsoon/3i.html. I look forward to seeing all reflections on this spread and others. Stay tuned in the meantime for the video of the reflection on this spiritual reading, which will be posted as soon as we can get to it. Blessings and love.